Hi, today I'm for the ALCATEL One Tidal Smart, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap on the widgets icon, and after that you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add. To add the widget, you should just touch and hold it, so after that just drag it to the position where you wanna add the widget. If you wanna move it here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. Just to resize the widget, hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.